Now, question number 4, fifth subdivisions. In this question, we have to find the dimensions of the rectangle. That is, we have to find the length and the breadth. So, we will assume length to be x units and breadth to be y units. The first case, they are telling that area gets reduced by 9 units. Area gets reduced by 9 units when length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. Now when you expand this, you know that area is length into breadth, so x into y is xy. We have xy minus 9 equal to x into y is xy, x into plus 3 is 3x, minus 5 into y is minus 5y, minus 5 into 3 is minus 15. Cancelling xy on both sides, taking all the values to one side, we will have 3x minus 5y minus 15 plus 9 equal to 0. That is 3x minus 5y minus 6 equal to 0. We will keep this as our first equation. Then second case, they are telling that the area increases by 67 units. In the second time, it is increasing by 67 square units when the length is increased by 3 units and the breadth is increased by 2 units. So we are going to have x plus 3 into x plus 2. Now both are increasing. When you expand this, you will have xy plus 67 equal to, this is actually y. X into y is xy, 2 into x is 2x, 3 into y is 3y plus 6. Xy and xy will get cancelled. Taking all the values to one side, we will have 2x plus 3y plus 6, this will become minus 67 equal to 0. That implies we have 2x plus 3y minus 61 equal to 0. This is your second equation. Now comparing both the equations, our a1, comparing with the general form, we have a1 is equal to 3, a2 is equal to 2, then b1 is equal to minus 5, b2 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to minus 6 and c2 is equal to minus 61. We are going to solve using the cross multiplication method. We have x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equal to y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Substituting the values, we get x by b1 into c2 minus 5 into minus 61 is plus 305 minus b2 into c1, that is 3 into minus 6, that is minus 18. Minus of minus 18 is going to be plus 18 equal to y by c1, your c1 is here, c1 into a2, 6 in minus 6 into 2 is minus 12, minus of c2 into a1 minus 61 into 3, that is minus 183. Minus of minus 183 is going to be plus 183 equal to 1 by a1 into b2, that is 9, minus of 2 into minus 5 is minus 10, minus of minus 10 will become plus 10. So we are going to have x by, when you add this, you will get 323 equal to y by, when you subtract this, you will get 100 and 71 equal to 1 by 19. When you equate the x terms, you are going to get, we will equate the x terms. X by 323 equal to 1 by 19 implies x is equal to 323 divided by 19. When you divide, 119 is 19, then the remainder will be 13, 133, 7 times 19 is 133. So you have found your x value to be 17 units. Now we will find y value. Equating the y value, we have y by 171 equal to 1 by 19. That implies y is going to be 171 divided by 19. You know that 9 into 19 is 171. So your y value is going to be 9. Now we have found both x and y values. So we will write the final answer. Length is equal to 17 units. Breadth is equal to 9 units.